Today's video will show you how to add and edit scenes in your case. After creating a case, the first step is to add scenes. The platform provides basic scenes, industry scenes, and city scenes. It also provides customized exclusive scenes and My Scenes. My Scenes includes all the scenes you have added, which can be shared and used across cases. Select a city scene and drag it into the editor. Click to select the desired city area. Click Confirm to add the scene. The scene is loading via cloud rendering. Right-click to rotate the view of the added scene. Use the left mouse button to pan the view. Use the mouse wheel to zoom the view. The buildings in the scene can be flattened or hidden. The operations will be listed under the tags on the right side. You can undo each element one by one. If you drag a scene at this time, it will create a new scene and replace the content of the existing scene in the case. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.